Hey y'all, it's Amy with Bargain Mama. How is everyone doing today? So today I'm going through my garage and looking through things, and I came across my bin of some stuff that I DIY'd, like a year or two ago, from mostly shirts that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. And so I just wanted to show you guys. This was back when I had more time on my hands. So I just wanted to show you a couple of the things that I did. This was a $1 shirt that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. And they have the stencils and stuff. So I put them on here and then I just sprayed bleach on this shirt. So again, this is a $1 Dollar Tree shirt and just the stencils from Dollar Tree. So that shirt was like $2 maybe to make. This is one that I made. I think I got this shirt for $1 too, not at the Dollar Tree, but from somewhere different. I'm trying to put it up. I don't know how well you can see it. But so I made this. It was just a regular pink shirt, and I cut it through watching all kinds of stuff on YouTube and put this on the bottom. One of my favorite things. Love Madonna, so I put that image on there. These are some other things that I made. This is a DIY color shirt. I bought this shirt from the Dollar Tree also, like I said, a long time ago, and used my Cricut and put this image on there. And same thing with this one. But just so you guys know, if you use washable markers, you can color these pictures, and you can color these pictures and then wash it, and then it's just like starting all over again. So that's kind of cool. So I made these shirts. I'm trying to get them all out of here. This is a shirt I think I got for $1, but I'm not sure I got it from the Dollar Tree. But these are Dollar Tree stencils, and I'm sorry for all the wrinkle and stuff. Like I said, they've been in a bin for a long time. But these are actually, you know what these are? These are the big wall stickers that Dollar Tree has. I placed them on top of my shirts. And then, and these are the felt stars that they have. And so I just stuck them to my shirt with like what they had, the felt and everything, and then sprayed the bleach around them and then took off the stickers. So these are just made with Dollar Tree stickers. I think this, yes. So if you guys recognize the thing on the front of this guy, again, these are the big bursts. A lot of people use them. They come on the big wall vinyl things. I don't know how to say it, but they come in the hanging on the wall at Dollar Tree, and normally people put addresses on them and put them on friend mail. I just put the stickers on the shirt, and this time instead of spraying bleach because it was already white, I just used some of the spray tie-dye stuff from Dollar Tree and sprayed around the sticker. So, and then took the sticker off. So let me see, what else did I do here? So this shirt also, I'm not saying that these are great. I'm just trying to show you guys some ideas. So this is another shirt that I made. Again, I put the stencil from Dollar Tree on here, bleached just where these are. And yeah, this was that shirt. This one's not one of the best, but you know. This one right here is another stencil, not one of my favorites. Another stencil from the Dollar Tree, and this one I just used like a fabric paint and dipped in the parts of the stencil and made this shirt, and then just kept spraying around it. And then yeah, so again, this is all with stencils from the Dollar Tree, guys. Trying to find some more of the stencils. I have jeans with the stencils. Let's see, I think. Okay, let me just show you these ones. So these are jeans that I had gotten from Walmart last year on clearance. I think I got the jeans for like $1 or $2, okay? I do not know how to sew for nothing. So what I did is I cut out sections of the jeans myself, and these have been washed, guys. I used Dollar Tree fabric and just E6000 or fabric glued. I can't remember. No, I'm sorry. I did not use E6000. I used like the fabric stitch. So it's just like a glue, but it's like a fabric stitch. And I used it all around all of the little holes I made. I bleached the pants. And then if you guys notice this is also a ribbon that Dollar Tree sold last year, the year before. So this is a pair of jeans for, I believe I got them on clearance for $1, like I said, at Walmart. I cut off the little pockets. They had little ruffles right there. I cut those off. I put some bleach on them, cut some holes in them, fabric stitched. Again, that is like a glue. It is not stitching because I don't know how to stitch. Some pretty fabric that Dollar Tree had behind these. Again, fabric stitched this to the bottom, and this is maybe a $2 pair of pants, and look at how cute they are. So there's another one that I made using a lot of Dollar Tree stuff. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to shake you around. I might have to stop the video and restart. Oh, here's another one. This one I think was one of my first ones that I did. It didn't come out the greatest, but I still do like it. This one is a unicorn, obviously. So I put a unicorn sticker from the Dollar Tree down on this shirt, and then I took a toothbrush and I sprayed the bleach around the sides of it, and then again I just took the sticker off, and then this part didn't bleach. So this is literally all like clearance stuff, guys, that I bought, and I'm literally using like Dollar Tree stuff to make them. So again, these jeans are not from the Dollar Tree, but this fabric is from several years ago. So again, I just bought these on a clearance. These might have even been from Goodwill, but I think they were a clearance, and cut the hole in them and like stitched, fixed, or whatever that stuff is called. Just one of the fabrics from Dollar Tree on there. You know, they sell them in the fat quarters. So that's literally what I did with this pair of pants. Let's see, what do I have here? This is a shirt I had bought from the Dollar Tree. And again, guys, I'm not saying that I am like the craftiest. I'm just trying to give you some ideas of things you can do for really cheap, because kids grow out of their clothes so fast. So, sorry, didn't mean to jerk you guys. So this is a shirt I had bought from the Dollar Tree, and I just got this idea to make like this little purse. So I knotted it on the bottom. I did find this on YouTube or something. I knotted the bottom, and then up here, this is a Dollar Tree fabric. I'm sorry, a Dollar Tree string yarn thing. So I just put it up here, and now it's like a purse. You guys can see my dirty garage. It's a purse. So you just do that. I'm trying to see if I can, and then it kind of seals at the top, like it'll close up. And yeah, so then it's just like a little purse for a little girl or something, like to carry around. So there's that. Sorry again about the mess behind me, or behind everything in here. So I'm gonna have to pause you guys and go through and find some more stuff, because this bin is huge, but it's not all stuff that I made with the Dollar Tree. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, a different angle now because my ankles were killing me. I'm too old to be trying to sit up like that. Anyways, just a couple more ideas of just different things that I did. Like I said, it was like a year ago. I'm trying not to shake for you guys. Sorry, it's not the greatest day, so I might have to use the... Okay, anyways. So I did this. They had a sticker with some lips on it, and so I put that here first, and then I put the love in the middle. Again, this stencil and the stickers came from Dollar Tree. I just put them on the shirt and went with it. It may not look the greatest, but you know, it was cute. Again, another Dollar Tree shirt. This was a Mickey and a Minnie, obviously. And I just put the sticker on the shirt again, sprayed bleach all around them. I mean, you could do anything, any single thing that they have over there. Another shirt that I just cut, I used just some paint that was at the Dollar Tree and mixed in. So this is just regular paint. It's not even fabric paint. So I don't even know how it's gonna work. And I just mixed some glitter in. Actually, I put the purple down, like I put the stencil down and then I put the purple down and then I sprinkled the glitter over it, and it still has not came out. And like I said, I made these like years ago. So there's that shirt. This is just another Dollar Tree shirt, like obviously one of the first ones. I just kind of cut the sleeves, obviously sprayed it down with bleach in different spots. And yeah, so now, and then cut the bottom. So that's one of the shirts. Again, this is the butterflies. So these I remember exactly. And so these were the wood cutouts. And actually they're right here. Give me 1 second. I'm trying. I know I just actually, I don't know where I put them right now. Hold on. Okay. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have to move you guys for 1 second. But let me show you. So these actually are these exact things. So what I did is I put them down on here when I did them like last year. I was wondering why these were in that bag. And then I just went around them with like some paint or whatever. And then when I picked it up, like, so I sprayed the whole shirt down with purple, and then I just put this down, and then went around it with like a white paintbrush, and then yeah, there was that. So I don't know, guys. Anyways, and these are stencils from the Dollar Tree. Another shirt, like, yeah, it's just little ideas because clothes are so expensive, and you know, we want our kids to look cute. But let's keep going. So here is this pair of jeans. Again, I believe I got all these, like, I'm trying not to shake, but my left hand is bad, so I'm gonna have to switch back to my right. So these are all actually little jeans I got on clearance. I think it was $1 from Walmart. And so again, it's not really the jeans that I want you to see, but this was another one of the fabric quarters that I got at the Dollar Tree, and it was $1, and I just stitch fixed them or whatever to the back. Again, that stitch fix is like a glue. It is not stitching because I do not know how to do that. Another little pair of jeans that I did all the DIY, but I just put these little music things in here, and they are in there. Like, there's no holes. So that's another fabric quarter. Nothing on the back of those ones. And then my last pair is just this little purple pair. I mean, they didn't come out the greatest, but it's just some more fabric that I put on them. So yeah, and that's just bleached them. So this is just some ideas. Like, so a lot of times, like, our kids, like, will grow out of them, and jeans or leggings, and we just give them away or throw them away or whatever. Like, you can cut them, distress them, you know, grab some fabric quarters from the Dollar Tree and just make them into a whole different idea, like a whole different pair that they won't even know that they had before. So again, these are just little ideas that I did. And again, I used like the Stitch Fix kind of glue stuff from Walmart's, and just got fabric quarters from Dollar Tree and went with it. And you just never know what fabric quarters you're going to find at Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to show you guys this because I found this little bin, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.